but the bear snores on.
In the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. Cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear sleeps on.
But the bear snores on.
An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on.
But the bear snores on.
A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on.
But the bear snores on.
Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Then the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers.
But the bear snores on. Stop.
Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on the crisp clear dawn, Bear's wide awake, but his friends snore on.
Bear snores on.